Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, peace be upon us all. Respect just, have you ever imagined what it would be like if one day our children and grandchildren no longer menerima cepat song, do not understand the meaning of unggah-ungguh, or even cannot differentiate between gudeg and fast food? This is the reality that we are slowly starting to face. Japanese culture, a legacy of our ancestors that is rich its meaning and noble values, is increasingly marginalized by the strong current of modernization. In fact, local culture such as Japanese culture is not only a tradition but also a sort of identity, social ethic, and a healthy lifestyle, including in terms of traditional food. If this culture is lost, that what is lost is not just a habit, but the identity of the Japanese people themselves. Therefore, I believe that the conversation of Japanese culture is very important in order to maintaining the existence of Japanese people themselves. One of the main values in Japanese culture is etiquette or unggah-ungguh. This is the basis of social life that teaches respect, politeness, and balance in interaction. For example, children are taught to bow when greeting their parent or use grammar language as a form of respect. Values like this from a society that respect each other and is harmonious. However, a local survey in Yogyakarta in 2023 showed that only around 13% of elementary school students in urban areas were fluent in grammar language, which also reflect the fading practice of unggah-ungguh in everyday life. Fortunately, there are still initiatives that try to revive these values. In Sleman, for example, the Condro Minoto Cultural Studio holds free class on unggah-ungguh, traditional dance, and gamelan for children. This is the reality from the cultural preservation can be done in a fun and inclusive way. In addition to etiquette, Japanese culture is also rich in healthy and nutritious traditional foods. Foods such as pecel rice, loaded vegetable, and tempeh are part of the culinary heritage that reflects the participles of healthy living. Research from University Gadjah Mada show that the traditional Japanese plant-based diet has a lower risk of degenerative disease compared to the consumption of fast food, which is now increasingly dominating people's diets. However, in reality, data from the Food Security Agency in 2022 show that instant food consumption has increased by 12% every year in Java, while traditional vegetable consumption has decreased by 7%. This is the warning that we are starting to abandon the legacy of a healthy lifestyle that has been passed down from generation to generation. Therefore, it is important for us to revive traditional kitchen, reintroduce our ancestor cuisine, and instill nutrition and cultural values to the younger generation. Don't like gudeg, pecel, tempeh, or other become mere museum display or mere culinary tourism object. In short, conserving Japanese culture is an important step in maintaining the identity of existence of Japanese people amidst the current of globalization. We must maintaining manner as the basis of social life, maintaining traditional culinary as a healthy lifestyle, and strengthen Japanese language learning so that cultural values are not eroded by time. One of the main solutions is to establish a language and cultural learning center in each village. For example, in Sriwedari village, Magelang, Japanese speech training has been conducted for teenagers as an effort to increase their love for language and traditional ethics. The initiative is in line with the philosophy that language is not only a means of communication, but also a means of maintaining values and identity. If every village has a learning center like this, the cultural preservation can be carried out in a participatory and sustainable manner. If we do not act immediately, the next generation will grow up without strong cultural roots. Therefore, let us start from ourselves and our immediate environment to preserve Japanese culture for a more meaningful future. That is the speech I can deliver. Hopefully, we can continue to contribute to preserving traditional culture so that it remain alive amidst the development of the time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.